當 touch 產生，製造人多打人少，可以自己去，亦都可以咧自己製造入球俾隊友，完成。
Been a good game so far, Scotty. The good speed from both teams, and that is something you're seeing. Is that was a beautifully set team. Just demonstrating there how much it means. But the speed of the play is very different in the morning than it is in the afternoon.
好啦，而家咧我會進行一個進攻嘅攻勢咧，就係33嘅。咁咧呢位球員舉一舉手啦。佢咧一陣咧，當佢接應咗之後咧，佢有好多選擇嘅。佢可以自己入波，佢可以交俾人多打人少嗰邊嘅接應隊員，同埋再傳俾隻 wing。OK， 睇一睇個示範嚟。入球。好，而家咧，我哋會進行一個咧全場嘅6打6進攻練習。個練習模式進攻嘅方法咧，我哋叫做33。咁即係話咧，希望用個33呢兩個 middle 球員咧去做一個 touch， 跟住會用我哋嘅 link 2號位球員咧去做一個發動攻勢嘅。OK， 咁睇一睇個練習。touch 之後 back 7。入球。好，而家咧我哋進行一個6打6嘅進攻模式嘅練習。咁我哋希望咧，我哋透過呢一個叫32嘅進攻模式，即係話 middle 3號位同埋 link 2號位去攞 touch， 跟住去製造空間咧，去俾另外一隻3號位嘅球員 middle 咧去打人多打人少嘅機會。可以開始練習。完成。